Hi guys, so we're here at an old blacksmith's cottage lodge.
Yeah.
Also where they used to keep pigeons on the second floor, which you can get up to, but you have to climb, and I'm not averse to climbing. So we're going to have a look around and stick around. In to the blacksmith's lodgings, I suppose, where there used to be a massive house, but it's not in here, but green fields now and a farm. So there used to be a massive house beside this, and I'm guessing an older gentleman maybe lived here and would I suppose work here. Sorry, it's very dark and creepy in here. This is the closest a paranormal resident has come to darkness for a paranormal channel. So okay, I'm going to show you guys around. Okay, there's a lot of midgets around. I did call them midgets because if I said that wrong, I'm going to be offensive to like 100 people.
No, it's okay.
Okay, so you just come in. Up here is, we think, a pigeon's coop used to be up there. It's a vaulted ceiling. There's holes. There's a tump there. And this is obviously where he used to work, because I think somewhere around here, yes, here is an actual, yeah, you can see it. It was the door of one of the burners, and the chimney goes up there. This is where he would have hung stuff, I suppose. I'm just gonna go up here and show you. Oh Christ, I'm getting brave. So that would be the chimney out and chimney up. Oh God, that's terrible camera work. So yeah, this is the blacksmith's abandoned. Oh, I wonder, are they bugs or orbs? Not too sure. Okay, so we're gonna call out some, and I'm gonna, ooh, look at that color. It's all greeny blue. We're gonna call out. It just says there, don't remove stones or bricks from the walls. From somebody. It's a listed building, so that's all. But people have been. Okay. Okay, we're gonna start calling out in here. I keep thinking I see things. I promise I'm not on drugs. I just.
What if I use like Snapchat filter?
Ooh, yeah, we're going to start using some Snapchat filter, see if we can pick up anything. Okay. Okay, guys, we have Snapchat up now. We're just going to see if we can pick up anything here. I'm calling out to the spirits of this. What is this?
I don't know.
I'm calling out to the spirits of this abandoned building. If you can hear my voice, can you stand in front of this camera? That the girl is holding, can you stand in front of this? Or the teenager, I don't know what you're. Please show yourself. Please stand in front of the camera. Maybe you just like the dog filter. Okay. Yeah. I'm calling out to any spirits that might be here. Can you make a loud noise for me? You shut up.
Sorry.
So you kind of get a feeling what it would be like in the dark. Can you make a loud noise for me?
Ooh.
Some orbs.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell if they're bugs or orbs. I suppose I'll let the people who are watching decide. Can you make a loud noise for me? Can you throw something? Let me hear your footsteps. This is looking all shades of Blair Witch. Copy me. I'm calling out to any spirits here. Copy me. Bitch, don't leave me. Did you used to work here? Knock twice if you used to work here. So it's pretty quiet at the moment. I'm going to try and do some EVP. See what we can get. This little hole just shows a farm. Out there it's kind of getting dark. Well, I hope that's not my lair. I'm calling out to the spirits of the lost house. Can you come in here and make your presence known? We're just here for a visit. We don't mean any harm. Oh, Jesus. Just come in here. Now. You're defeating me, spirits. Come on. Show me. Okay. So I'm just going to axe out once more and buy my shiny. And see if we can hear anything, and then I think we'll leave it there. I hope I showed you guys around a good bit. I'm calling out to the spirits of Lost House. Can you make a loud noise for me? Copy me. What are you laughing at? The sheep just all looked at me, oh god. I'm calling out to the spirits of the lost house. Is it true this place was a blacksmith? Okay. I'm leaving now. If you want to give me a gift and throw something at me, that'd be great. Or it mightn't be. Yeah, true. Okay guys, so that's the end of that one. Again, not much, but like I said, I ain't going to fake this just for entertainment value. If nothing happens, that's what you're going to see, and it's about exploring these abandoned places and seeing what we... For fuck's sake. Is that a cow?
I don't know.
It always happens when you don't want it to happen. So, okay, we're going to go now. Thanks so much for watching. And I want to shout out Ben for watching. Thanks so much. Or XRL Belays is your YouTube name. Okay, bye guys.